explore the critical cybersecurity issue surrounding HTC's handling of fingerprint data. In this in-depth video, we delve into the recent findings by FireEye researchers that HTC smartphones stored fingerprint data as unencrypted, world-readable image files, creating a major security vulnerability. The video provides a comprehensive analysis of how this security breach occurred, including the technical aspects of storing fingerprint data in an accessible format. We discuss the potential risks and consequences, such as security lapse, highlighting the ease with which hackers or malicious apps could exploit this vulnerability to access sensitive biometric data. The video also examines the broader implications for smartphone security, considering the challenges and responsibilities manufacturers in protecting user data, especially biometric information. Furthermore, we explore the impact of this security issue on consumer trust and the importance of robust security measures in the area of increasing reliance on biometric authentication. Join us for a detailed exploration of HTC's fingerprint data security breach and its significance in the context of smartphone cybersecurity. Uncover the alarming security flaw in HTC smartphones, as revealed by FireEye researchers in this detailed video. We delve into the discovery that HTC stored fingerprint data as an unencrypted world-readable image file, posing a significant security risk. The video explores how this clear replica of a user's fingerprint, stored in a file with world-readable permissions, could be easily stolen by rogue apps or hackers. We discuss the findings presented at the Black Hat Security Conference, where researchers demonstrated the ability to extract detailed fingerprint images from HTC smartphones. The video also highlights the broader issue of fingerprint sensor vulnerabilities in smartphones, including those from other manufacturers like Samsung. We examine how most manufacturers fail to fully utilize the built-in security features of ARM-based chips, leaving fingerprint sensors exposed to potential attacks. Additionally, we address the implications of such poor security practices, including the risk of remote data theft via smartphone malware and the increasing importance of securing biometric data like fingerprints, especially as they are used for identity verification in services like border control and mobile payment systems. Join us for an insightful analysis of this critical cybersecurity issue and the urgent need for enhanced protection of biometric data in smartphones. Uncover the critical security lapse in HTC's handling of user fingerprint data. In this informative video, we delve into the revelation that HTC stored user fingerprints as image files in an unencrypted folder, posing a significant security risk. The video explores the implications of this practice, highlighting how storing sensitive biometric data without encryption can lead to potential data breaches and unauthorized access. We discuss the importance of robust security measures in protecting biometric data, especially in the context of increasing reliance on fingerprint authentication in smartphones. The video also examines the broader impact of such security oversights on user trust and the reputation of technology companies. Additionally, we consider the steps that need to be taken to ensure the secure handling of biometric data and the role of industry standards in safeguarding user privacy. Join us for an in-depth analysis of HTC's security misstep and its implications for the future of biometric data protection in the tech industry. Discover the latest cybersecurity concern in our video about the vulnerability of Samsung's Galaxy S5 fingerprint sensor. Researchers from Germany's security research lab ScherLabs have demonstrated a hack that involves lifting and copying fingerprints to deceive the phone's biometric sensor. This video delves into the method used by the researchers, which mirrors the previous hack of Apple's iPhone 5S's Touch ID feature. We explore how the attackers used a lab-manufactured wood glue replica of a fingerprint to bypass the Galaxy S5 security feature. The video highlights the implications of this vulnerability, especially for users of PayPal's Android app, which allows fingerprint-based fund transfers. We discuss PayPal's response to the issue and their assurance of user security despite the demonstrated exploit. Additionally, we examine the broader concerns about using fingerprints as biometric authentication, including the inability to change a stolen fingerprint and the ease of lifting fingerprints from personal devices. Join us for an in-depth analysis of this significant security flaw in the Galaxy S5 and its implications for biometric security in smartphones. Explore the critical issue of cybersecurity in our video, focusing on the vulnerability of Apple's Touch ID and the Galaxy S5 to fingerprint hacks. This video delves into the security concerns surrounding these popular devices, highlighting how their fingerprint scanning technologies can be susceptible to hacking. We discuss the methods hackers use to exploit these vulnerabilities, including the replication of fingerprints from high-resolution images, or using sophisticated techniques like the ones used in the recent scientific breakthrough. The video examines the implications of these security flaws for users, emphasizing the importance of robust security measures in protecting personal information. We also explore the broader context of biometric security in the tech industry, considering how these vulnerabilities affect consumer trust and the ongoing efforts to enhance security in fingerprint scanning technologies. Join us for an insightful analysis of the challenges in securing biometric data and the steps being taken to safeguard against fingerprint hacks in devices like Apple's Touch ID and the Galaxy S5. Discover the emerging threat to fingerprint-based security technology in our video that delves into the recent scientific breakthrough of stealing fingerprints from smartphone swipe sounds. As the market for fingerprint authentication solutions is projected to reach nearly $100 billion by 2032, this video explores the growing awareness of potential fingerprint theft. We discuss how scientists have found that the sound of a finger sliding across a smartphone's touch display can be a source of data leakage, leading to the theft of fingerprints. The video explains the test results where scientists successfully obtained partial and full fingerprints from swipe sounds, overcoming challenges such as weak sound detection and user behavior analysis. We also examine the print listener sound analysis technology used to reconstruct synthetic pattern masterprint prints, achieving significant success in realistic scenarios. This breakthrough raises concerns about the security of fingerprint technologies and the need for more advanced security measures in the face of such sophisticated attacks. Join us for an in-depth look at this new cybersecurity challenge and its implications for the future of biometric security. Dive into the intriguing world of cybersecurity with our video on how scientists have discovered a method to steal fingerprints from the sounds of swipes on a smartphone. This video explores the groundbreaking research that unveils a new dimension of security vulnerability. We discuss the technology behind this discovery, explaining how the sound of a finger swipe on a smartphone screen can potentially be analyzed to recreate a user's fingerprint. The video delves into the implications of this finding for smartphone security and user privacy. We examine the potential risks and challenges it poses, highlighting the need for advanced security measures in mobile devices. Additionally, we explore the broader context of this discovery in the field of cybersecurity, considering how it reflects the evolving nature of security threats in the digital age. Join us for an insightful analysis of this scientific breakthrough and its impact on the future of smartphone security and privacy.